Okay, so this is uh, Microsoft Power BI. So we are saying I want to import a certain data which I want to demonstrate pivoting and unpivoting in Microsoft Power BI. So to demonstrate pivoting and unpivoting in Microsoft Power BI, you have to import the data that you want to unpivot. So I'm going to click on import data. This is going to open where I'm keeping my data. So I'm going to use this Excel sheet, pivoting Power BI, and click open. When I click open, this is going to open a dialog box where I'm going to have to whether load my data or to transform my data. Okay. So it is connecting to my data. So this is the data that I'm having, and that Excel file is having three sheets here. So I'm having sheet one, sheet two, and sheet three. So the data that I want is in sheet one. This is the data that I'm having. I'm having name, and here the names are repeated. You're having John, John, John. Then the subjects, John is having three subjects: English, Chicho, and Maths. The same, Mary, 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 English, Chicho, Maths. Judith, Judith, English, Chicho, Maths. But for this data, we could transform it in some way. Let me just click on transform. Now, this data, you can transform it in a way that the rows becomes the columns. Okay, the rows becomes the columns where the subjects are going to be arranged from left to right, not from top to bottom. This is what I'm trying to say. So here I'm having English, Chichewa, Maths, but the subjects can be arranged in here you can have English, here you can have Chichewa, here you can have Maths, and here you can just have the names of the three students. For example, to do this, what you do is you go to transform, and on transform, you go to pivot column. Okay, pivot column. So when you click on pivot column, Microsoft Excel, Power BI, will make you use the names in column name to create new columns. Okay, so they're saying use the names in column name to create new columns. Value columns, where your values going to come from. My values are going to come from the max. Okay, the max is where I'm going to have my values. They're coming from the max, and then you click OK. So when you click OK, you're going to see that the subject here you're having Chichewa, English, and Maths. Then here you're having John, Mary, and Judith. But this is not what we wanted. You could change this to say, okay, here apply the steps. You can delete this step to go to the previous one. Let's select the subject. Okay, when you click the subject and you click on pivot column, you're going to where is the values coming from? The values are coming from the max, and you click OK. So here you are going to have the names here, and here you are going to have the English teacher and the maths in that way. So that's pivoting Power Query, whereby you are converting column into rows. Okay, so that's to do with it. So unpivoting is just the opposite of this, where you're going to convert it into rows.